Hi guys, this is my airport life from KLIA, Malaysia. Now we're going to gate 10, G10. I meant like that. Yeah, probably it's over there. But you probably cannot see it because it's all the way at the edge. Now it's like so quiet because back then it was renovation. So look, like for example, look around you guys. It's many stores, right? My mom and my dad love shopping, so probably this is the most favorite airport ever. But now, the Malaysian ringgit is now getting so high and expensive. My gate is over there, guys, at the edge.